Thank you, Madam Speaker. All protocol observed. Turning to the Executive Mayor's address, we once again hear a speech filled with self-praise and political spin. One cannot help but wonder whether the ANC-EFF divorce has finally been filed, just in time for election campaigning. If speeches alone fixed cities, Mr. Mayor, we would be living in a world-class metro by now. The Mayor proudly refers to the Fixing the Frontline campaign, conveniently taking credit for an initiative driven by the city manager, who is the one actually getting down and dirty. While the VF Plus welcomes any initiative that genuinely improves service delivery, we must ask, why now? Why only months before a municipal election and not when the Mayor first took office? Dit laat 'n mens wonder, is dit dienslewering of skaamtelose stemmejag? We are told the city's finances have improved. On paper, perhaps. On the ground, residents and creditors are still waiting. Overtime continues to spiral out of control in departments that can barely deliver basic services. If finances have truly improved, then the residents should see this reflected in service delivery, because right now, the picture is pretty damn bleak. Across the city, basic services continue to fail. Grass cutting is inconsistent. Electricity outages are rampant due to infrastructure collapse, cable theft, and illegal mining. With Alberton without power for up to 8 days, Benoni 5 days, and Kempton Park more often in the dark than in the light. Water interruptions are increasing, streetlights are neglected, maintenance of municipal buildings and clinics is virtually non-existent, and primary healthcare services is at a bare minimum, with responsibility conveniently shifted to province. Our roads are crumbling to the point where driving straight makes you look drunk. Stormwater drains are blocked, causing dangerous flooding. Sewage spills threaten public health, and traffic lights remain broken indefinitely. This decay speaks louder than any speech. Die mense van hierdie stad leef nie in 'n sprokies toespraak nie. Hulle leef in die harde werklikheid. 'n Werklikheid wat die ANC al vir 32 jaar probeer vermy. The Mayor should not mistake election year activity for genuine leadership. The VF Plus is ready to step in and restore accountability and fix what this government has allowed to collapse. Hoza elections. Die VF Plus is gereed om te regeer.